Hey there. Today we're going to make a delicious dessert called Strawberry Delight. It's another quick and easy, delicious dessert. So let's get started. In a bowl, we're going to break a angel food cake or a buttery pound cake into small pieces and mix with 1 8-ounce tub of Cool Whip. We're going to fold it in until it's all nicely coated. And now we're ready to add the mixture to either a pan or you can use a glass dish. I'm using a Pyrex casserole dish. And we're just gonna spread it out evenly and set it aside. In another bowl, we're going to add our cut up strawberries, and then we're gonna add some strawberry glaze. And we're going to go ahead and fold that in and get it all nicely coated, the strawberries coated in the strawberry glaze. And then set that aside. In another bowl, we're going to take our cream cheese, our sugar, and our vanilla, and we're going to mix it until it's nice, smooth, and creamy, no lumps. Then we're going to be ready to fold in the remaining of our Cool Whip, which is another 8-ounce tub. We're gonna fold it in and it's gonna come out fluffy and creamy. Oh, it's ready to go. So this is gonna be our second layer on our dessert. And we're gonna do the same as we did on the first layer. We're just gonna spread it out nice and evenly. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then we're ready for the third layer, which is the strawberry glaze mixture, and we're going to do the same with that one, and we're going to spread it out as nicely as possible. But either way, it's so good, no one's going to care if it's a little mixed in with the creams. Once that's done, we're going to cover it and refrigerate for at least 1 hour. The best results is 24 hours before you need it. It is so delicious. It's a family favorite, and it's just so refreshing on a hot summer evening or for breakfast. Let me know if you try this recipe and what you think, and if you like see more of my content, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Goodbye.